So, you're wondering what Notion templates are. Well, this is a Notion template. That's a Notion template. Even that's a Notion template. Yep. Everything you're imagining can be a Notion template. If you can build it, you can put it into a template. And essentially, you can build them like Legos. I know everybody says that, but what does that mean? Well, you can see here, my Life Hub is what I use to live my everyday life. It has tasks, notes, journals, goals, projects, and basically everything I need to live my daily life. And if you just wanted one piece of that, that's a template. If you wanted just tasks, that's a template. And you can essentially put everything inside of Notion into customizable blocks where if you wanted to just pick a single portion of that, put that into your system, you now have a custom tool. Sort of like apps on a phone. If you want to get a specific app, download it. Put it onto your phone, drag it into a page so it's not all cluttered and you can find it later. That's exactly what you're doing inside of Notion, but with digital tools. So inside of this system, or inside of your workspace, you can do whatever you want. It's yours. And templates just essentially let you plug and play something that even if you had the idea on how to do it, you didn't have to do it yourself. There's something ready to go, you can find it, plug it in, and you're off to the races. So that's what Notion templates are good for. Get you up and running in seconds. I hope that clears it up a bit.